pretty hurt right now because I just washed my hair from my partial sew-on, the middle part sew-on I had. And I was nervous about this. I was very nervous. I was like, what if I got heat damage? I didn't want to use the flat iron without using heat protectant, but I just had this small little feeling, this inkling that like, I might have heat damage. I just had this feeling because you guys know, like, my hair in the front is naturally a looser texture. Like, that's just natural. And then it's tighter in the back. But I just looked in the mirror for the first time after washing my hair. I washed it, did a protein treatment. I haven't done my deep condition yet. So right now my hair is naked. Right now there's nothing in my hair because I still need a deep condition. But this little section right here, everything else in the front of my head is fine and normal. But this little section right here decided that it was gonna be heat damage. The worst of it is right here. That's the worst. So this is how my hair is supposed to look in the front of my head. And this is how it actually looks on this side. So this little portion, but I knew, like, I knew. I applied heat more than I normally would. When I do a flat iron, I don't even re-flat iron my hair for an entire month, and then I just wash my hair. But your girl was being extra, and I definitely flat ironed my hair more than I should have while in that sewing. I knew better. I even second guessed myself getting that sewing, and I look so this is my life right here in the front. Girl got heat damage shoddy. But basically, if y'all can comment down below some tips, some tricks on what I can do to try and get these curls to start doing their thing again. Especially this, like, look at that. That's so limp. So if y'all can give your girl some tips. I think I'm going to try a bentonite clay mask. I've done that twice before. I'm going to try it again. Hopefully that'll do something to try and revert this. Yeah. I don't think my hair isn't unhealthy, but the pattern itself is damaged. So I'm sad about that, because y'all know I've been on this journey of healthy hair, trying to grow my hair. I've been on it for a couple years now, and I've been doing well. But that sewing, I don't ever do sewings, and I decided I was gonna do something different, and then this mess happened. I'm glad it's not a huge portion of my hair. I'm glad that it honestly isn't looking like super bad, but it's not looking like how it's supposed to. So yeah, like I said, if you can give me some tips on what I should do for this small section of my hair, because I'm not cutting my hair. I'm not cutting my hair. I'm not. So don't, besides cutting my hair, because why would I cut this small section? It's bad right here. So besides cutting my hair, what can I do you think, to try and nurse my curls back up here in this front? Because this is how it's supposed to look, and this is how it looks, just limp. So if you guys can give me some advice, I'm about to go and deep condition my hair because I'm still in the wash process, but your advice would be great. So yeah, please and thank you. Whatever advice y'all give me, I'll probably share it with y'all, me trying these different things to try and get this back from looking so crazy. Even this piece is a little limp. This piece isn't as bad, but it's definitely limp. So yeah, anyways, like I said, please leave down your tips and tricks down in the comment section below, y'all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you didn't, keep your thumbs to yourself. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I know I'm tripping over like this small section, but this hurts my feelings. It hurts my feelings. It hurts my feelings. So yeah, that's how I feel. I feel hurt. I'm hurt.